here.
Green
It's
stuff.
not like that.
I have it.
It's not at your own time and leisure.
Natalie, here's your
Let's
purse.
see. Char, what is it?
Oh my. Nora, whose hat is this?
Thank you. I love
You're
this
right. It
stuff.
could be mommy's.
We love that.
Inside out.
Awesome.
Turn it inside out.
Corey?
Thank you.
No, Natalie, you have one.
Nora.
See, I love this. Thank you.
Heidi, you gotta see this.
I love this.
Too much going on.
I love this.
Leslie,
Heidi, you gotta see this.
Leslie, did you
Leslie?
give her stocking
it's a
stuffer?
calendar.
Leslie,
Yeah.
if they're turned around, they all could be the
Oh,
same.
Nora, you got a new purse? Does it match your
Natalie,
promo?
Natalie, look, you and Nora both have one.
Adorable. Where'd you find this?
If there was one of a kind.
And to be honest, I don't know which one goes with who.
Natalie?
Nora, is that
Well,
for
we can decide later.
Natalie?
Aaron.
What's
So
my
What's
name?
your name?
Heidi,
Is that
you
for
look
you?
so cute.
Natalie.
It fits you.
It's
that
for
doesn't
my daughter.
it? Missy Smallhead
Here, give
still
me-
fits
Oh my
you.
God,
That was
Give me.
20.
Hey,
that was
Natalie,
about 40
Hey,
minutes.
Natalie. Natalie, show Daddy what you got. What did you get?
Nora matches your purse.
Cute to the bone.
Bye bye, Natalie.
Aren't they cute?
Bye bye.
so cute.
Say hi to Molly real quick.
Where's the camera? Seriously. Hey, Natalie, come
I
here.
haven't
She
taken
looks
one.
like an old lady.
Heidi, go take a picture of her, will you?
Natalie.
She looks like she's going to the horse races.
Looks like she belongs in Florida.
Molly, what do you think? Oh, is it night time?
Nora, where's your purse?
Who do you have on?
Nora,
I could not get an entire blue.
Nora.
CD thing out of the
Okay,
Yeah. Okay, forget it. Every
Come
time I
on,
turn
Cor.
the camera, it doesn't-
Corey, yes, this is it. This is the year.
Okay,
trade.
Calendar.
He couldn't resist.
I couldn't resist.
Let me
So
see
you know there's
Still
gonna
too
be a new
strong.
scoreboard,
Oh.
electronic scoreboard up there, right?
That is the funniest thing.
Very cool, thank you.
Shari, Aaron. What? Shari, Aaron. Do this, Shari.
2010.
Shari has to open her presents
I'm
first still.
Les, did you get a picture of Natalie?
Shari doesn't get any more presents
No.
until she opens her.